welcome to Zandrei channel ZZZ. Today we will be folding a vase to go with this flower I did for the Mother Day episode. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be folding a vase. So it will go with the flower because everybody knows you put flowers in vases with water. But not this one, okay? It'll just get soggy. Okay, now let's get started. So first, you will need to do the X crease. Yeah. So like this. And this. So it looks like a triangle when you did it. And then unfold. So now, you need to flip it over, fold it here, edge to edge, top to bottom, and fold it. Now, flip it over again, press the center, so it pops out. Now, what you want to do is use these creases as guides, and also these, and do this. Then, you'll need these creases, and boom. Now, you will need to rotate it 180 degrees. This. Now you can get here or here. You can start on any side and do this. These will be like the edges. Now flip it over, do the same thing. Has to line up with the other edges or else this won't work. Now it should be like looking like a fox head. So now you just want to look at the top, open it up, see these flaps here? You want to open this, keep the flaps in any edge, I mean like wall, and just fold here, fold here. Do the same thing with the other one. Fold here. And fold here. This may be a little tricky. So yeah. It's okay if your flaps are like this. Just as long as it holds down the flap. That. Oh, I think I need to fold this a little bit more. Now we will get the bottom points and fold it to about here. This will make the bottom so it can stand. Now we want to open this up again, get the flaps, like these flaps, not these flaps, okay? and open it. Now you just want to push the bottom down, and there you have it, your vase. I recommend putting some weights in here, so whatever you put in there stands. If it's like a tall thing, like this, it won't work if I don't put any weights. I do recommend putting some heavy items in here, so whatever you put in here will make the vase will still stand. Like you can put rocks, pebbles, anything, as long as it's heavy. Because if I do this, it just won't work. Okay, so just hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a suggestion below so I can get more ideas. And the comments are right here. Bye.